chef here in Molino de Urdániz, Taipei.
I'm Adrian, chef also from Molino de Urdániz in Taipei.
I think if I have to summarize Spanish cuisine with one word, the will be diversity, because I think different environment and weather in this small country, the north from the south, and there are different cooking techniques as well.
The experience what we want to bring it's the original Spanish flavor mixed a little with Asia or Taiwan ingredients. Show them the Molino cuisine and the Spanish flavor. The importance about the oil in the Spanish cuisine, we use the olive oil because it's more healthy and for almost every dish, for salty, for dessert.
We even use olive oil for keep the ingredients for a long time, like sweet ingredients, fruit, or maybe salty like anchovies or cheese. I have a preference for Spanish oil because it have different flavors, smell, and I need to check what I need from this oil. Something raw, or I want to use for cook. We will cook 3 dishes today. The first of these will be the duck. We only use the olive oil in the duck because we want to add this little spicy and flavor to the salad. For the fish, we will use 2 oils. First, we want to use the grapeseed oil, because the grapeseed oil have very light flavor, fruity flavor.
Almost always we cook it on the sous vide because we want to keep the fish flavor. Flavor don't lose when you pan fry or when you cook different way.
For the fish skin, we will use the rice bran oil because it can keep high temperatures, and we need almost 200 degrees for fry the skin. We want to make different version of the traditional cochinillo, that is suckling pork. First, we want to cook the pork a long time without any kind of oil, because we want to keep the flavor of the pork. Then we want to use sunflower oil to pan fry only the skin. I want to only give to the customers only the flavor of the pork. We try to bring this Spanish flavor with Taiwanese ingredients, experience to the customers.